Both normal and fine sensitivity modes are available for the automatic segmentation tool and for the semi-automatic path tracking tool. Use normal tools for vessels with a diameter greater than 14 pixels. Use fine mode for those with a diameter between 3 to 14 pixels. The following actions described for the normal mode may be used for the fine mode in the same way. You may work on either the 3D model or directly on the patient images. Select the normal auto segmentation tool to segment a vessel within the entire volume. Select the normal path tracking tool to expand vessel segmentation in constant steps of up to 40 slices in each direction. You may continue to click and drag the mouse cursor along the vessel's path you wish to segment until it is completely extended, or click a part of the path until it completely extends.